Hello friends, today I am reviewing G4 Nightlight IP44 white LED bulb. I got this product for free in exchange of my honest and unbiased review. As you can see, I have already unpacked this. This packet comes along with the LED bulb, the fixtures that are needed, and a user manual and a USB cable. This bulb is like rechargeable bulb, and it is a light sensor bulb, so there is a motion happening, then the light automatically lights up. So you can see I have already used this bulb in my bathroom, and I am recording in the room so that you can understand what kind of lighting is there in the room, and you can understand this is enough for looking at it, and it will really help us at night when you go to the bathroom. You don't need to switch on, and it automatically detects the motion and it will light up. You don't need to switch off this because it has light sensor, and there are 3 modes in it: on, off, and auto. When you keep it on auto, automatically it detects your motion. So I'll quickly show you. This is the fixture that it comes along with. It goes into the wall, and on top of this, this bulb bag will go, and it automatically stays over there. I'll quickly show you the USB port over there. So here you have the USB, and it has a rechargeable battery. You can recharge this, and the power I have recharged it almost 7 days back, and it still lights. So that is good. And one more thing is here you have 3 modes, as I mentioned: on, off, and auto. I generally keep it on auto, so whenever I go into the bathroom, when the light is less, automatically it will light up. So that is a power saving. So that's all about this, and I really like this because it gives perfect lighting, and it's a lot of money saver, and it is LED, so eco-friendly. So there are many uses of this, so I really like this bulb. I hope you like my video, and thanks for watching.